Here are the top 5 gaming headsets that offer exceptional sound quality, comfort, and immersive gaming experiences for every gamer. Number 1. Want to elevate your gaming experience? Check out the HyperX Cloud 3 gaming headset. Designed for PC, PS5, and Xbox Series XS, it's perfect for every gamer. Angled 53mm drivers and DTS spatial audio deliver precise, immersive sound. Memory foam ear cushions keep you comfy during long gaming sessions. And the ultra-clear 10mm mic ensures your voice is heard loud and clear. Plus, it's compatible with USB-C, USB-A, and 3.5mm jack for easy connection. Ready to level up your gaming gear? Don't wait. Click the link below. Hit that subscribe button for more gaming gear reviews. Number 2. Looking for the ultimate gaming headset? The HyperX Cloud Stinger 2 is here to level up your game. With powerful 50mm drivers, you get immersive sound, crisp highs, deep bass, and every detail in between. And when things get intense, just swivel the mic to mute. No more interruptions. It's lightweight and super comfortable, perfect for those long gaming sessions. With DTS headphone, enjoy true surround sound and hear your enemies coming from every direction. Compatible with PC, the HyperX Cloud Stinger 2 is the headset that checks all the boxes: quality, comfort, and value. Don't miss out. Link in the description to grab yours now. And hey, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more reviews. Number 3. Looking for a gaming headset that delivers exceptional sound and comfort? Let's talk about the Turtle Beach Stealth 700 Gen 3. Whether you're on Xbox, PS5, PC, or mobile, this headset is built for multi-platform gaming. With 60mm drivers, you'll hear your games like never before. Its AI noise-canceling mic ensures crystal-clear voice chat, even in noisy environments. Plus, it's got Bluetooth connectivity and an impressive 80-hour battery life, perfect for those long gaming sessions. And let's not forget the sleek cobalt design, combining style with durability. Ready to upgrade? Click the link in the description to get your Turtle Beach Stealth 700 Gen 3 today. Don't forget to subscribe for more gear reviews. Number 4. Ready to take your gaming to the next level? Meet the SteelSeries Arc Nova Pro wireless Xbox multi-system gaming headset. With premium hi-fi drivers, it delivers crystal-clear sound across Xbox, PC, PS5, PS4, Switch, and mobile. Wherever you play, this headset has you covered. Active noise cancellation blocks out distractions for pure focus. And with Infinity Power System, you'll game for hours without worrying about charging. Communicate perfectly with Stealth Mic technology, clear, crisp, and always in sync. Comfort, quality, and versatility. This headset is a game changer for serious players. Want to upgrade your gaming experience? Grab the SteelSeries Arc Nova Pro wireless Xbox headset today, link in the description. And don't forget to subscribe for more reviews. Number 5. Looking for the ultimate audiophile experience? Check out the Sennheiser HD 560S headphones. These over-the-ear headphones offer a neutral frequency response and ER technology, creating a wide, immersive sound field like no other. With detachable cables and a customizable fit, they're perfect for long sessions, whether you're mixing tracks or enjoying your favorite tunes. The open-back ear cups provide clear, detailed sound with minimal distortion. Every note, every word, crystal clear. Ready to elevate your sound game? Click the link below to get your own Sennheiser HD 560S and hear the difference. And don't forget to subscribe for more audiophile tips and reviews.